What more I do if I never firm? Never try teach myself more than never learn. Compress my pain and my scars heart full of burn. Still I wander upon the land where another turn. Still I match if my make sense in the world. Like my soon consumed by the conga worm. So I pray for make it out just for make my mother earn.
Rest in peace, my daddy.
Up to now life still not feel the same. Me feel my failure cause me never make the change. Still a fight, still I try to make a name. Still I struggle hard, still I get to skip the page. Now feel people energy, them full of games. Rain a fall and me still not feel them heal. Me alone I try the road nowadays. Dog me nah no more energy for drain. Mount of people me strength up and me never get a help back. Mankind not colder than the winter in December. Love my family, but not for them no want to see me better. So they can't go hear me call or even try to send a letter.
Yes. Me a hold my own as a G. No one want out from nobody. Hard of the buckle, sweet of the victory. Don't chaos. I buckle up the pain of my feel inside. Emotions I run so wild. Try to survive, come and never choice. Wonder when me ever get to start a new life. Exile from a demon pride. You're not with me, then I try pick a side.
Put my faith in all the most high. Through the pain, me I tell my mommy don't cry. Shoot for the stars, tell my bullseye. You can't get better if you don't try.
Then watch your way away profile. Travel with my strap on my door smile. Any funny move, then I don't fly. All the last days, them I show signs. Me I hold my own as a G. No one want out from nobody. Hard of the buckle, sweet of the victory. I buckle up the pain of my feel inside. Emotions I run so wild. Try to survive, come and never choice. Wonder when me ever get to start a new life. Exile from a demon pride.
Yardstyle life.